Welcome back here with Times Now, and big story breaking first here on your channel. This is the intolerance that India must guard against for hoisting Tiranga in Masjid. A Muslim BJP leader has faced threats. Hardline groups have lashed out at this BJP leader. The BJP is now protesting against this intolerance. Amir Haq, my colleague, is joining me. Amir, it's a shocker of a story. BJP leader and chairperson of the UP State Minority Commission, Ashfaq Saifi, has been threatened, and his only fault was hoisting the Tiranga, saluting the national flag.
Well, that's right, Pranesh. In fact, Saifi has confirmed to Times Now that he has received a number of threatening calls. In fact, audio messages have been sent across to him over his mobile phone, wherein he has been warned for committing this kind of an act inside the masjid compound. While what happened was that he, as the chairperson of the Minority Commission of Uttar Pradesh, was actually invited in a madrasa called Madrasa Alia within the compound of Agra's Jama Masjid, wherein Independence Day celebrations were actually taking place. Like it takes place in all such educational institutions, including government-run schools, private-run schools, as well as madrasa. But the fact that the Sheher Mufti took umbrage to it, he actually released an audio message threatening Saifi and telling him that he'll have to suffer the wrath of the God, and that this is completely forbidden and haram in Islam to be singing the national anthem inside the masjid compound, and also the unfurling of the national flag is not permitted. Well, we've spoken to other Islamic experts as well, people who have in-depth knowledge of the religion. They say there is nothing wrong in unfurling the national flag on a day as auspicious as the Independence Day of India, and that many such Muslim clerics have actually seen to it that the unfurling of national flag and Independence Day celebrations actually take place in all such madrasas which are associated with their respective mosques. But in this case, this actually stands out because this happens to be the most premier mosque within Agra, which is a historical city. The Jama Masjid.
And which dharma or religion, Amir, advocates against Desh Prem? Is Desh Prem against a particular dharma? That's the question coming back to you, but reactions coming in.
आगरा की ऐतिहासिक शाही जमा मस्जिद में ध्वजारोहण किया गया तथा वहाँ पर पढ़ने वाले जो बच्चे थे उन्होंने भारत माता की जय और हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद के नारे लगाए। वहाँ पर जिस प्रकार से मुसलमानों में खुशी का माहौल है और देख रहे हैं पूरे वहीं नहीं बल्कि पूरे देश के अंदर सभी मदरसों में मस्जिदों में ध्वजारोहण का कार्यक्रम आज हुआ है। एक तरीके से एक अच्छा संदेश है देश की। देखिए, ऐसा है कि मेरे द्वारा पहली बार उस शाही जमा मस्जिद में ध्वजारोहण किया गया है और ये विशेष बात है। और लोगों ने वहाँ मुझे बुलाया और मुझसे कहा कि भाई साहब आप ही को ये ध्वजारोहण करना है।
हिंदुस्तान की जमीन पर बनी हुई मस्जिद पर अगर तिरंगा झंडा हिंदुस्तान का नहीं फहराया जा सकता तो इन कट्टरपंथियों को चाहिए कि अपनी मस्जिदों को हिंदुस्तान से लेकर कहीं बाहर चले जाए और अपने मनहूस मुल्लाओं को चाहिए कि अपनी इन लंबी लंबी दाढ़ियों को भी लेकर जाकिर नाइक की तरह हिंदुस्तान से फरार हो जाए, क्योंकि एनआरसी जल्दी लागू होने वाला है और इन सभी मुल्लाओं की असलियत बहुत जल्दी सामने आने वाली है।
And the people behind the threat are not some fringe groups. You have a Congress leader also, Amir, in the mix of things, opposing the unfurling of the tricolor.
Well, that's right, Pranesh. This particular local leader from Agra also happens to be the vice president of Jamiatul Quraysh, an organization of a particular sect of Muslim community people. And he clearly also, in his audio message to the manager of the madrasa and the mosque, has clearly slammed the management of the mosque for allowing this BJP leader inside and for allowing the Independence Independence Day celebrations inside the mosque premises and has clearly threatened that all such people from the community who actually object to these kind of celebrations taking place inside the mosque will actually turn against him, and he might actually face stiff resistance from them in the coming days. So this clearly is issuing open threats to the BJP leader, who also happens to be the chairperson of the Minority Commission of Uttar Pradesh, and this sends a very wrong message to people across the community, discouraging them from celebrating Independence Day or Republic Day and such similar occasions, or singing of national anthem or hoisting of the national flag.
Is the BJP leader approaching the police on this over the threat calls that he is receiving, Amir?
Well, so far he hasn't really filed a police complaint against the Sheher Mufti and also the Congress leader that we just spoke about, perhaps fearing some kind of a reprisal from people belonging to his own community. But we still have to get a word from him, a final word from him, as to whether he actually thinks that this can, turn dangerous for him in the coming days, because there are people who are actually inciting people belonging to the Muslim community, telling them that this is some kind of a desecration of the Jama Masjid mosque that has taken place in Agra this Independence Day. So therefore, how it pans out over the next few days, it still remains to be seen. But this definitely is a very serious development coming in from Agra and needs to be condemned in the most strictest terms.
And must be condemned by one and all, no exceptions there. Amir, thanks for getting us the story and sharing your inputs with us, because more reactions are coming in now.
असलम जामा मस्जिद के ऊपर जो है तिरंगा झंडा लगा के जो है जन मन गढ़ जो है वो गवाया और अंदर मीटिंग की, जो कतई हराम है। और मुफ्ती साहब बिल्कुल वजह फरमा रहे हैं, अगर तुमने ऐसा किया तो तुम्हारे खिलाफ जो है आवाज़ उठेगी और सब लोग एक राय होकर तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोलेंगे, जिससे जो है माहौल ख़राब होगा और अल्लाह की पकड़ तुम्हारे ऊपर आएगी बहुत जल्दी। इससे सख्त नाराज़ हैं सब लोग जो है, लिहाजा हम इस बात को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे कि आप जो है मस्जिद को सियासी अखाड़ा बनाएं। लिहाजा आप होश में आ जाओ, अब बहुत हो गया है, इसको बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा कतई तौर पर जो है। और हम सब मुफ्ती साहब की आवाज़ में आवाज़ मिला रहे हैं, वो दीन की आवाज़ है, इस्लाम की आवाज़ है, इसको बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। मस्जिद के अंदर जाके आप मीटिंग कर रहे हैं और वहाँ पर तिरंगा लहरा रहे हैं, और ये आप अपने घर पर करिए, अपना ऑफिस बनाइए वहाँ पर। अगर आप जो है चेयरमैन बने हुए हैं तो वो बनाइए अपना ऑफिस, वरना आपके खिलाफ ये आवाज़ जो है बहुत तेज़ होगी और पूरे आगरा के मुसलमान मुत्तहद होकर, बल्कि उत्तर प्रदेश के मुसलमान इकट्ठे होकर जो है आपकी मुखालफत करेंगे और ये जो है आपको जो है वहाँ से बरतरफ कर दिया जाएगा।